Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and welcome to my learning video. My name is Ratu Garisa and my student ID is 234222042. Today I'm going to talk about understanding the evolution of business in digital age. As well, I'll know that this world is continuously evolving with the rapid advancement of technology. Business have had to adapt to stay competitive and relevant. This presentation will take you through what that transformation from traditional business practice to the modern concept of electronic business, also known as a business. I hope this learning video help you gain a better understanding of how digitalization plays part in the business landscape. Okay, next. Traditional business versus electronic business. Let's begin by comparing traditional business model to modern electronic business approaches. In a traditional business environment, everything is more manual and requires physical presence. Business rarely having one face-to-face interaction, use a lot of catalog and often deal with high operational costs and bureaucratic procedures. Reaching customer and entering the market can be bit volatile, and the need for many employees and physical location added more challenge. On the other hand, electronic business or a business involves many of their barriers is allowed for air-server access to market and can be done anytime, anywhere. There are no need for physical catalog as everything is digital. A business offers a transparent flow of information, standardized negotiation process, and can even be operated virtually without a physical office. This comparison clearly shows how a business can create a more advanced, flexible, and accessible environment for business operations. Okay, next definition of a business. But what exactly is a business? According to Ian, a business is the use of technology and network capabilities to interact and transact with customers, suppliers, partners, and employers in order to achieve and maintain competitive advantage. This means that a business is not just about selling products online, it's a forming a whole ecosystem of interaction internally and externally using digital tools. It's about using technology to enhance communication, improve productivity, and deliver better service to all stakeholders. In essence, a business integrates information and communication technology (ICT) into all aspects of business operations to stay ahead in today's heavily competitive environment. And next, key component of business. Now, let's look at the key components that make up a business. There are their main category to understand here, players, tools, resources, and target activities. Players include organization, customer, a company, supplier, work, and business partner. All of their increasing participation in digital transaction and interaction. And two, tool and resource used in a business include PCT information and communication technology, computers, data system, and the internet. These are the backbone of any digital business process and the target activities of a business of course. They include business operations, purchasing and selling products, delivering service, and producing for this transaction online. Each of these components play a crucial role in building a fully functional business ecosystem. And one benefit of a business. Let's move on the goals and benefits of the business. One of the primary goals combination ensuring that a part of business process works very smoothly. Other important goals include communication, management, and information sharing. These are essential for operating a successful business in the digital age. And one of the benefits a business offers safety thanks to secure digital system, flexibility, allowing business to adapt quickly to change and organization. Because digital tools help streamline operations, it also enhances effectively saving time and resources and ultimately to increase productivity and profit. Yes, upfront make a business a powerful model for today company no matter the size of industry. And next, culture. Sebagai apa in a business? Lastly, in important business could be aspect a business or character of business. We teach a tree for doing uh, there for three major concepts in a business security. Validation, integrity, and prevention. One, validation. Ensure that the indices of the party involved in a transaction are legitimate and that transaction illegal. For example, digital signature of certificates are used to verify user identities. And three, integrity means that the data exchange during transaction remain accurate and hence this important for preventing fraud and ensuring that information is reliable. And last, privacy. Important protecting sensitive for information from being accessed or disclosed without permission. In many cases, users expect that their personal and financial data will be kept confidential and business must respect them. Ensuring that three aspects of building trust and long-term relationships with customer and partners. And yeah, that's bring you to end of this learning video with we explore how the a business are different from a business, the differentiate and component of a business and its goals, benefit and shortcomings. The shift to business in the more than just adopting a tools. It's about transforming the way company operates and interacting in digital world. Understanding this approach is key for anyone who wants to success in the business environment of today and the future. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm Category Barisa, student ID 234120042. I help you on this presentation informative and